Okay guys, I picked these up at a car boot sale last weekend, or a flea market if you like. So, a couple of clamps, boring but useful. Big old bar clamp, no name. This reasonably cheap one I suppose, just needs cleaning up. Wing, all steel, short strike hammer. Okay condition, used condition. Backer, 10-inch. Not that old, looking at the pattern of it. Just needs a bit of a clean up. This old 8-inch one, very old. Don't know how old, but very old, a real early model. Not in bad condition, hasn't been beaten. So, stick a comment down below which one you want cleaned up first, and I shan't go overboard on them. I'll just be in a good usable condition. You decide what I'm going to do next. Cheers guys.